Hi dear friend, welcome to my channel. Here I share watermelon popsicle. Summer is the perfect time to try homemade frozen dessert. So I suggested this easy homemade popsicle recipe for you. To make homemade popsicle is as simple as if wiping up a smoothie. Here I make 2-layer popsicle. There is nothing better than on a hot day enjoy a cool and refreshing popsicle. Not to mention a bit healthier because we are not adding any artificial color. Okay, let us check the preparation method. Remove the skin from watermelon and chop it into the small pieces. Add to blender, make it as a fine smoothie. Then take a filter, add the watermelon smoothie and drain it well. It helps to get clear smoothie. Add 1/3 cup sugar and add 1 teaspoon lemon juice and mix it well. Taste it just to adjust your preference. Take popsicle mold. Here I use this type popsicle mold. It has a lid. Instead of this I use the wooden stick. Carefully pour the smoothie into your popsicle mold, filling it about 3/4 of way up. If you wish to make more color layer, carefully fill the first layer not to splash it over the mold. Otherwise the red color bleed into other layer. Then divide among the popsicle mold and top with the stick. I drop some watermelon seed in between the mold. It's optional, you can also use the chocolate chips. Then place the mold into the freezer for 3 hours. Just before 3 hours, make your coconut milk. Coconut add to the blender, add required amount of water and some sugar, blend it well and filter it. Then take your mold out of the freezer, carefully pour the coconut mixture on the top of the watermelon. Then freeze it again 4 to 6 hours or until completely frozen. After freezing, run mold under the warm water for few seconds to loosen, then remove the pops from the mold. My kid, he is a popsicle lover, that's why I make this popsicle for him. Try this easy popsicle in your home, serve it to your dear ones, enjoy your family time. Reply your comments, stay safe, stay healthy, meet you soon with another easy recipe. Thank you.